plane spotting. Beluga Airport. No. That's Sydney Airport. And the reason we're going right now is we may miss this, but it's the last ever Q300 on Qantas Airlines. It is retiring today. It is doing the water salute. Yeah, it's doing that. So yeah, we're probably gonna miss it, but still, we're gonna go plane spotting. This is a special day, everyone. So, this is probably the only retiring I'm gonna see with my eyes. Plus, I might not even see it, but still, we're gonna plane spotting. Okay. It's right there. It's right here. That's the Dash 300. Oh my goodness. This is the last time I'm gonna see this plane. There it goes. At the airport. Straight away. 787 Dreamliner. Guys, I am hyping up. It is absolutely freezing right now. It's so cold. What's that sound? So I just put the 300 on the camera right now. So, what's the noise? No, is this it? Is this it? I'm filming. Is this it? No, I think that's a 400 maybe. Let me see. Update, that was not the 300, that was a 400. And apparently it made it to the beach and now it's going around, okay? Probably for the water salute that's having. We have a 787 Dreamliner. Oh my goodness. I'm actually freezing in Australia. Damn! No way. No, the 300's right there. That is the Qantas Link 300 that is getting retired today, right now. This is the last flight the Q300 for Qantas Link is ever going to take flight. And I don't know where it's going, but this thing is beautiful. I'm going to miss you. I'm gonna miss you, baby Q400. Oh my goodness! I saw something more exciting. Atlas Air 747 is literally moving right now. I'm sorry, 300. I'll see you later. But this Atlas Air is so cool. I don't know, but look. Here's the Atlas Air Boeing 747-8. Maybe. I think there's a... Huh? Okay, we'll continue with this. We'll see. I know the 747 is exciting. Sorry, guys. I know the 747 is exciting, but we have to see the Q300. It's right there. So what's it doing? Oh, sorry. What it's doing? What is it doing? No, it's still moving. I'll check back on you later. Q300 is the main point, but this thing is beautiful. We're watching Sid Squad right now. Here it is. Because it's all the way down there.
Yeah, try not to scream too much, baby.
Sorry about that. This is supposed to be a sad video because the Q300 getting retired from Qantas. Okay, guys, bad news. So basically, I was literally on Flight Radar, and it told me that the flight is out of coverage. You know what that means? That means it's already landed and done. That means we missed the water salute, and it's just parked there to be gone and forever scrapped from the Qantas history. But at least we saw it now. Oh, it's a Rex. upgraded version who replaced the 300. You thief. Anyways, here's the Q400 instead of the Q300. Bye. Oh my goodness. No, don't. Sideways. Singapore Airlines A350. What a beauty. And a beauty that is. Singapore Airlines A350. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That? The Singapore Airlines A350. This is beautiful. New Queenie. No way. Look at this beauty. I've never seen any Queenie before. I think. Ooh. It's you again. Anyways. Oh my goodness. I love this. Wait, is this the 50th anniversary? This is the 50th anniversary livery. Sorry, I can't talk. Whoa. I can't continue on because the rest is fence. But that's so cool. Look at that. So Rankin is in the background. Yo, that's so cool. This A350 has made a comeback. No way. Etihad Airways 777. Old livery. I love this livery so much. I love it. But the newer livery is way better. Wow, it's really dark. No, it's just my phone. My phone is on 1%. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Guys, the Qantas just arrived. It is a 737. Yeah, you can tell. Oh, it's right here. Oh my goodness. But after this, there's a Virgin, and after that, there's a Jetstar, and after that, there's a Smart Lynx, and it has no livery. Oh my goodness! I just. Bank Airways. Wow.
Together? Yeah.
Sri Lankan Airlines. Oh! Yeah, there it is. This is the Lynx or whatever it's called. Oh. Sri Lankan boat. There it is. Oh my goodness. I am flying Nothing Airlines. Yay. And New Zealand is here. And it stopped. Hello? And also, why is this plane so small? Hello! Move! Anyways, and you zoom. Oh, it's probably waiting for the best in Australia. Yeah, it was! Look at that! JDC, space That's an Airbus A330 behind the stupid fences they decided to put in. I love the Airbus A330. It's one of my favorite planes, and also it's a butter machine.
Get out of the...
Here's the Smart Lynx. Oh, by the way, my phone is connected on life support equals charger, so I can only do it from here or else it will unplug. Yo, it is so windy. There it is, the Smart Lynx. Guys, it's getting pretty dark and too cold, and basically nothing is happening except for Qantas, Jetstar, and Virgin, which is the norm. So, we're gonna leave now. This is basically a mini episode and a very special episode because we saw the last flight of the Q300. Yeah, the Q300. Okay, so bye guys. Fine. There's a Qatar A380 coming soon. That'll be the last plane. I've waited 11 minutes for this Qatar. Goodness, the A330 is back. I'm spotting. It's right there. No one else is here except for 2 boys. So what's that man? I don't know. Yeah, look at the beauty. Can we see it butter landing while pixelated? Look how pixelated it is. Oh no, not the sign. Oh, look, get it. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, here it is. Qatar A380. Oh my goodness. Why is always this blurred? There, that's way better. This is one of my favorite liveries. No, don't play! Okay, bye guys. This is actually it. We are done. Bye. Guys, it's the Prime Minister's plane. Wow, what a great way to end off the plane spotting day. Close.